So on my last video I told you I was going to be coming down to the van and sorting something out. So what I'm going to show you is what I'm going to be doing. So I'm just going to show you this van and what ours is like now. So I'm just going to show you what it's like. So you've got that light there, and I'm going to change it into that. So I've took that light off and I've changed it into the Ring Spotlight camera, and that lights up everything over here. So it lights up all the driveway, so when we're not here we can check on the drive, or we can see if there's anybody been to the van. So now we've got quite a few of them cameras up. I think I've gone a bit too far with them, to be honest. I've got one, you know, covering all around the van. They're a good little alternative. Solar panels for your Ring cameras. I've even got one on the Ring alarm system. And using them with Alexa. So basically we can do everything with it. We do everything with Alexa anyway. So I'm just going to show you now. Alexa, shed light on.
Okay.
Alexa, shed light off.
Okay.
Bit of a mess again in there, so it's another tidy up day in there. So that's one. So once we've done that, obviously these little solar panel ones, these little ones here, come up at night on their own, just solar panels. And then you've got this one on each end, and then we've got another camera on the front. So the camera on the front is here. There. Look at the cobwebs there. So that's going to have to be cleaned. And then obviously now we've also got it where, let's just turn this TV down. So Ace, move. So basically we can just say, well, it's got there now because I've just been near the camera, but I can say, Alexa, hide screen. Alexa, hide camera. Alexa, show shed camera.
Okay.
Alexa, show front decking camera.
Okay.
Now when you do that with this, it comes up as a little square one, so you've got to say it again. Alexa, show front decking camera.
Okay.
So that is what we've done. Everything's on Alexa really, so it shows everything. If motion goes past any of the cameras, the shed and the drive, it comes on in here and it'll come on at home, and it'll come up on my phone to tell me who's been here, or if there's anything knocking about, any prowlers. And then all we've got to do is give somebody a ring who's on here at the time to find out who's on, and then they'll come over and check on it for us. And with that Ring camera, the security light one, that one's got an alarm on it. It's also got two-way conversation as well. So we're covered. So yeah, we've come back, and all my rose bushes have come out now. This looks a little bit bare. That's had loads of flowers on, they've come off. And then these are my rose bush. It's had quite a few roses on that. And Jan's got lilies. So that's what we've been up to. So it's gadgets and gadgets galore. Oh, there's another one as well. We've also got a Ring doorbell here. It was only because it was a spare one I put it up. So yeah, more than happy with Ring. if there's anything else what you use on your home or your van or your park home or whatever, give us a comment below, tell me what you use. I mean, I know it does cost money each month if I have the Ring system, but at least I've got the cloud as well to store the footage, so if it does get stolen, I've still got the footage as well. So it's just a little bit of a quick one of what I've just installed. So yeah, I'm more than happy with that, more than happy with it. And it's basically the live, earth and neutral, just replaced them, took the other lights off, turned the electrics off, and then I put that on, and yeah, quite bright at night as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again on the next one.